You ever wish you had your Google Calendar data in a spreadsheet? Do you ever wonder if you could get some great statistics out of your Google Calendar? What if I told you you can? Hi, I'm Amy from Clutter, and I help busy professionals like you streamline their digital lives, especially when it comes to Google Workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to get all that valuable information out of your Google Calendar and into a format you can actually use. No more manually trying to track hours. This solves that headache and gives you the data you need at your fingertips. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my time-saving Google tips. And stick around to the end because I'll tell you how you can get even more in-depth training on making Google work for you. To make sure you're set up for success, click the link below to get my free time-saving hacks for small business owners that include tips you're probably not using. For anyone who uses their Google Calendar religiously to track everything and wants to track client or team hours or professional development hours, you can get your calendar data into a spreadsheet using G-Time Report. I use it to download all of my Google Calendar data straight into a Google Sheet where I then categorize, sort, and calculate all of my numbers. It's an absolute game changer for anyone who uses their Google Calendar for everything and needs to calculate numbers from that data. I regularly use G-Time Report to help me calculate team hours for payroll, training hours, and learning time. How does this work? Go to G-Time Report, log in with your Google account, choose the Google calendars from which you want to pull data, choose your date range, and if you want a Google Sheet, Excel file, or CSV. And voila, your data is pulled and downloaded into the format you requested. Once the data is in a spreadsheet, you can manipulate it any way you'd like. You can sort, filter, create pivot tables and charts, and visualize your data for clients, finances, and productivity insights. This is why I ensure my Google Calendar is accurate at the end of every day, so I can pull out accurate data later. For more Google tips and tricks that save you time and ensure productivity, register for my Google classes or dive deep into the Workspace Wizard Masterclasses. These programs are designed to empower you with the knowledge to truly master Google Workspace and reclaim your time. Check the links in the description below to learn more and sign up. I look forward to helping you succeed.